We are still on mathematical problem from the topic probability. And the equation that we have on the board says that a number is selected at random from 0 to 20. What is the probability that the number is an odd prime? So we are looking for the probability of picking what? An odd what? Prime. Now look at the numbers that we have from 0 to 20. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and what? 20. So these are the numbers that we have. Now, as it stands, remember that what they said here is what? They say that the probability that the number is an odd prime. Odd prime. Now, this is odd number, but it is not prime. This is prime number, but it is not what? It is not odd. But this number that we have here, this is odd prime. This is odd prime. This is odd prime. This is odd, but not what? Not prime. Okay? This is odd prime. This is odd prime. This is odd, but not what? Not prime. This is odd prime. And what? This is odd prime. So let's count the number of odd primes that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what? 7. So the probability of picking odd prime is what? 7 over the total number, which is 21. So what we have here as the answer is what? 7 over 21. But we can reduce it to the lowest then. 7 can go. 7 divided 7 will give us 1. And 7 divided 21 will give us what? 3. So the probability of picking odd prime is what? 1 over 3. So you can practice this. Find the probability that the number is what? Is number 1, even number. The probability that is what? Of picking an even number. And also, the next one, find the probability of picking a prime number. Probability of picking a prime what? Number. Now, the last but not the least, find the probability of picking a perfect square. Find the probability of picking a perfect square from 0 to 20. Thank you for watching my video. See you in next episode. Bye bye.